Augmented reality, or AR, is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's changing the way we interact with the world around us. Welcome to Little Tech Learners. In today's episode, we're exploring the exciting world of augmented reality, understanding what it is, how it works, and how it's being used to enhance our daily lives. AR is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world. Unlike virtual reality, which creates a completely virtual environment, AR adds to the reality you would ordinarily see, enhancing it with digital details. This can be anything from simple text and images to complex animations. One of the most common ways people experience AR is through smartphone apps. Think of games that place digital characters in your living room or apps that let you see how furniture might look in your home before you buy it. This is AR at work, blending digital objects into your real-world environment. But AR's potential goes far beyond entertainment and shopping. It's making significant inroads in education and training. Imagine medical students practicing surgeries with AR or history classes where historical events are brought to life in the classroom. AR offers a new dimension to learning, making it more interactive and immersive. In the industrial sector, AR is revolutionizing how we work. Engineers can see digital blueprints overlaid on physical objects, and technicians can get real-time, on-site guidance for repairs. This not only speeds up the work process but also improves accuracy and safety. Retail is another area where AR is making an impact. Virtual fitting rooms in fashion apps and virtual makeup trials are changing the way we shop. Customers get a more engaging and personalized shopping experience without ever leaving their homes. One of the most critical aspects of AR is its accessibility. As smartphones become more advanced, AR technology is increasingly available to the average person. This means that AR experiences are no longer limited to high-end devices. They're becoming a part of our everyday digital interactions. Augmented reality is also blending with other technologies like AI to create even more personalized and intelligent experiences. From smart glasses that provide real-time information overlays to AR navigation apps that make getting around easier, the possibilities are endless. As AR technology continues to evolve, its impact on various sectors will only grow. It's a tool that can enhance, educate, and entertain, making our interactions with the world around us richer and more meaningful. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of augmented reality at Little Tech Learners. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of technology.